In this exercise, we will set up the Model View controller to access database table. Models retrieve and process data for views. Views format data for display. Controllers direct Joomla to load the correct models and view for a request. To begin, open components/com-goodcook/goodcook.php. We are going to remove the hard-coded HTML and extend the JController legacy class. Replace the current code with the following. We leave out the closing PHP tag when the file ends in PHP code because any inadvertent whitespace will be rendered by the browser. When controller instantiates the class object GoodCookController, Joomla will look for it in components/com-goodcook-controller.php. So let's create a file with that name and add the following code to it. We have named the default view as Recipes, which will display a list of recipes. So let's create a view folder which has a subfolder named Recipes. In the Recipes folder, we will create a file named view.html.php. Here we will gather data, then set the template for the Recipes view. The basic code we will set up in view.html.php for now and build upon later is, we can see in this code there are two more things to do. Set up the model for the getItems function and set up the template for the display. The default template for this view will be in a subfolder named tmpl in a file named default.php. In default.php, we will use this code. For the get function in view.html.php, we will set up a model. And within the models folder, create a file called recipes.php. Here is the code we'll use in the recipes.php file. Now we have the model, the view, and the controller, the MVC. We will copy these new files and folders to the administrator components com_goodcook as a placeholder so that we can install our new package and test it. Let's upload these new files and folders to our web server and check the results. Our website now displays the list of recipes from the database.